Hi my friends, how are you? I hope everybody's fine. My name is Daniel Villarino. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It has been more than a year since I uploaded my last video. I had a pretty serious surgery and after that a long recovery, and as a consequence the moving from the old workshop to the new workshop was delayed. I still assembling the machines in the new workshop. So this video is mostly to give you an update on how things are. I probably will try to do some video of wood turning in the old workshop. I still have the old lathe over there, but today let me show you how things are going in the new workshop. This is the entrance and welcome, come in. Okay, I will apologize from the beginning because I am filming with my hand and I am not very used to do this. Normally I do it with the tripod. So you can see that there are big windows, so there is a nice natural light from the outside, but also I have good illumination from the ceiling, so I can work at any time of the day. This is a general view of the workshop. I apologize, there are pieces of all the machines. I am still working on the assembling of all the machines. Let me show you on this side here, I have these shelves, and on these ones I'm going to put different jigs and accessories for the different machines. This one I already have accumulated some wood for turning. Those are logs, and this space that you can see there is the base of the barbecue that I have on the floor above, but I will do some shelving as well on that part. I have another shelf unit here. In this one I'm going to put all the dry wood that I have inside the house right now. Let me see, this machine that I have here is a planer. It's good to change the thickness of the pieces of wood. I have over here some big logs. This is yellow poplar. I had a tree that I had to cut down because it was sick, so I will see what I do with this, but in this space is going to be my workbench right below that window. Over here I have the system for dust collection. I still have to do all the piping and the tubing to the machines. This is a table saw that you can see there, and this is a sanding machine. I guess it's a drum sander. It has two drums and that belt so you can put pieces over there. I have a nice bandsaw with enough space to do resawing of materials. I still have to do the electrical connection. Over here I have the jointer. I'm still assembling. I didn't even remove the wax paper. I had to clean everything. That piece over there was really heavy. I had to use a machine to lift it. This is the new lathe. It's a robust. I will do a video showing the different characteristics. It's a beauty really, and I look forward to use it. And then over here I have the air compressor. I had to also finish the assembling and put it in to function. And the drill press is a standing foot drill press. I had to put the table over there. I have a sink over here, and I will do some cabinets over there to hide those pipes. One of the things I had to do is put a separate fuse box for all the workshop. The voltage here is 110, but for most of these machines it's 220. So I put a separate one so I had enough power for all the machines. This is the door that communicates the workshop with the basement of my house. I have some old portable tables over there. That's a crane that I mentioned before that I used to lift heavy pieces. And this is a general view of the workshop. So hopefully in the next week I will try to do some video of good earning, but for the moment this is all I wanted to show you. I hope everybody is fine, and I see you next time. Cheers.